Hi everyone, I am Nandita Sirigiri and I represent C Labs, Smart Eco Energy Labs. We all are witnessing lithium-ion battery technology in our electric cars. But in developing countries as India, where I come from, I was surprised to see that most of the light vehicles, which are major mode of transportation, are still running by burning fossil fuels, a major contributor to climate change. One of the main reasons is that an average middle class person cannot afford a light electric vehicle because they are expensive. On the other hand, lots of used lithium ion batteries from electric cars are being dumped into landfill with much more capacity left in them. As scientists, we aim to convert these used lithium ion batteries into efficient repurposed batteries for light vehicles. This is our primary vision at C Labs in making light electric vehicles affordable. At C Labs, we collect the used electric car batteries from our suppliers, work towards producing efficient, profitable repurposed batteries, and provide these to light vehicle manufacturers, helping them in transition from fuel-based to light electric vehicles. The light vehicle manufacturers will definitely get a considerable profit by our affordable and eco-energy repurposed batteries, thus making profit for our suppliers as well as light vehicle manufacturing customers. Our primary beachhead market is India. The Indian light vehicle market is the third largest market in the world with the sales of over 2 million units in 2020. Since the 20th century, India has been heavily dependent on fossil fuels. However, India has been giving more attention towards clean energy transition and has set a goal of having clean energy account for 60% by 2030. At C Labs, we save the used electric car batteries from our suppliers from being dumped into landfill towards repurposed batteries. Our suppliers can earn a profit of $50 per battery unit that is repurposed. On the other hand, with our C batteries, the light vehicle manufacturing customers can save up to $700 per vehicle than regular fuel-based engines. This helps in about 45% reduction in cost per vehicle. Our product C batteries are smart, sustainable, and environmental friendly. The raw materials are recovered batteries at end of their first life. With our efficient battery expertise, along with advanced artificial intelligence technology, we work on disassembly of used battery systems, system screening, repair, and assembling them into new configuration, thus providing repurposed, ready-to-use battery technology to our light vehicle manufacturing customers. We mainly interviewed the light vehicle manufacturers based in India. We wanted to know how manufacturers refer to clean energy transition in order to meet the renewable energy target and which budget is available for making this change. After preliminary discussion with experts working in the battery field, we have learned that used battery transport regulations and cost is something that we need to consider. We are planning to target 20% of our beachhead market, which is nearly 20 light vehicle manufacturing companies. We expect the profit of about 2.2 million Australian dollars per year. Our main key drivers are market, as in customers, market share, and cost of the product. Electric vehicles are responsible for considerably lowering the carbon dioxide emissions over their lifetime than internal combustion engine vehicles. Our product can help in reducing up to 15% of the overall carbon dioxide emissions. As a result, 1.5 million tons of carbon dioxide in India can be saved. To be able to do this project, we are an amazing team of 4, myself, Ms. Sneha, Dr. Kalani, and Mr. Moshtaba, aiming to produce efficient repurposed batteries towards affordable light electric vehicles. Hence, hi everyone, I am Nandita Sirigiri and I represent C Labs, Smart Eco Energy Labs. We all are witnessing lithium-ion battery technology in our electric cars. But
I think we might have, think the video was on loop there because we still had another 15 seconds. It's always amazing to come in under time. So congratulations. I'm going to hand over to the judges. Who'd like to ask first question?
Can you talk us through the process that you use to be able to convert and repurpose these batteries?
We usually collect the batteries from the suppliers and then disassemble them using the artificial intelligence technology. I mean, we use in bit of every stage, we would be using the updated AI technology for disassembling and screening them, which battery has a more capacity and which battery has battery pack has a lesser capacity, and use the optimized battery pack for the light electric vehicles.
And thanks very much for that pitch. How do you see what you're proposing to do as being different from some of the other companies in the space? I'm thinking Relectrify, but I'm sure there are others too.
Well, there are not a lot of competition regarding repurposing the batteries. Most of the companies that we have, according to our research, are based on recycling the batteries. So in that area, I think we are more ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions, judges?
Yes. So this model, for it to be sustainable, it depends on a large supply of cheap used batteries. So once it gets started, don't you think other competitors will come and this supply of cheap used batteries will go away?
I think the companies that are already working with us would have the trust, and they know that we are the best in making the light electric vehicles affordable. I think that's our leverage.
So if I just have one follow-up question, just to clarify that, but why is it the battery? Why is it the car? What do people do when their EV batteries get old? So most of the companies, when the EV batteries, because of the regulations, they just go into the landfill. And most of the companies, due to the government regulation, they can't keep up the used battery, so they have to give them away to the landfill or the recycling. Okay, thank you. Yep. Thank you.
Okay, I think we're at time. So thank you for that, C-Labs.